Hello guys, I am Alex as a technical advisor. So welcome to YouTube channel Online Server. So today I'm plan for on-premises and cloud. We have to go to the cloud. Then there is the 8 to 10 cloud data center we have established on local premises, where you have to access all your console, IPMI, stop, start, and perform any other operation related to the VPS. Okay, when we have to go to the VPS, there is the we have to select Thailand. Just a moment. Okay, Thailand VPS plan, we have to go here. Okay, so we have defined 4 plan here: plan X, Y, Z, and last one customize. So in first plan we have defined X, Y, and Z series, and last one in customize. In X plan we have to see 1 core, 1 GB RAM, and 30 GB hard disk HDD, and unlimited bandwidth and KVM support basis. What is it? Monthly basis the price is $29. And we have to go in the Y plan. Then there is we have increased one more resources like 2 GB RAM and 2 core and 60 GB hard disk, and bandwidth is the same in XYZ plan. In last plan there is we have increased 2 times resources of the Y plan: 4 core, 4 GB RAM, 120 GB hard disk, and bandwidth is the same of XYZ. In the last plan we have customized plan. That's when the client can select resources according to your end. If they are not compatible XYZ, suppose the client need 3 GB RAM and 40 GB hard disk, then it can be customized according to your customized plan. So we have go to the buy now option. So in this scenario we have not discussion about the payment method and placing order. We have discussion about the attribute of our XYZ and customized plan. Okay, so Thailand VVR customer plan is the default plan which is selected from the X. Now we have fill up some of the information: server host name and name servers and root password. Now we have to go to the configuration option. In configuration option we have to option to select core. So there is we have provided only 4 cores, not much more. If you need more core to 4, then you have to go to the dedicated plan. Okay, in core we have 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. After that we have to go to the RAM scenario. In RAM we have provide up to 60 GB RAM in the VPS plan. There is a cost 1 GB RAM cost is given in the INR format. You have also change from USD in any other format. In the same scenario we have to go to the hard disk format. Then we have to give the 300 GB hard disk up to in the Thailand VPS plan. If you go to the operating system, then we have to go different flavor of Linux, and last one in Windows. If you go to the Windows operating system, then you have to pay extra charges. In the bandwidth scenario we have provided unlimited bandwidth with 20 Mbps shared line. If you need a dedicated line, then you have to pay extra charges. 2 Mbps speed is given in the amount 5207, and there is we have to filter our bandwidth ratio. And we have the data center in Bangkok and location. Okay, so these are the basic things we have to seen in our configuration plan. But if you go I have to go back. Okay, so we have to see, you have to see what is the things you have to manage by your customized plan. But if you go to the XYZ plan, then there is no option to customize your plan. That means it is a default plan, you cannot change anything. That's like you can see, only you can select the operating system and IP address and bandwidth. and last one the control panel. There is the control panel. If you select free control panel, that there is no charges, but you have selected flex panel, WHMC panel, virtual mean, then you have to pay charges according to your community basis. So in last one you have to place order and make the payment. When your order will be placed, then your server will automatically be active in your client area. So basically the scenario of this tutorial, that thing you have to aware about